Good morning, friends. Here I'm going to show the fundamental analysis of Sri Steel Wires Rope Limited. This company is making a lot of wires, and which wires used in different purpose: crane industries, elevator, oil and gas, fishing, traction, stainless steel. This is the company site. Okay, when you go into the product list, you will see all the product company making. Okay, usage, like you can see, company is making 6 into 7 size of the wire, also written, used in mining, drilling. You can read more about the company here. So let's see about more here. Sri Steel Wire Rope is engaged in the business production of steel wire ropes, stands, strands, slings, three pulley type regulations, equipment, sections, insulator, assembly. Market cap, you can see just 8 crore market cap. Very micro cap company. Current price 25, high price 30, low price 16, stock P8, book value 38. So price right now, company is trading below than their book value. Dividend is nothing. Return on capital 10, return on equity 7, face value. Ultimate score, see, ultimate score 5.84 is very good sign, solid sign for the company. Okay, number of equity shares 0.33, growth factor 4, Piotrowski 5, reserve is 134 times of their debt. Price power 1.14, very good sign. Asset power is 4.7 of their debt. Peg ratio negative means because of lockdown, because of some situation, the company is giving a low result, but in the coming, as soon as lockdown will open, the company is going to give ultimate solidity. Company never dilute their equity capital. This is one. This is the long term chart of the company. Company is having low liquidity is very low, but company is having a big fluctuation up and down. So always check with your advisor before buying any stock, and especially this kind of stock. Company is almost debt free. Stock is trading of 0.6 times its book value. What is the cons? Through the company is reporting profit, not paying dividend. The company has delivered a poor sales growth. Promoter holding is low, just 29.53. Company has low return on equity. Debt has increased. What the company is doing? Same business done by the Ratnamani, Shyam, Apollo, Godavari, Mr. Dhatu, Westpoon. You can see the sales here, company sales, how the company is growing. 46%, 10%. So in September 2018, 4 crore, now still 2 crore. Very flat growth. Growth is very flat. Operating margin 6%, now still 8%, now negative. Okay, interest is no, there is no interest in the company. Company is debt free. You can see the net profit here. Net profit also 32 lakhs, now 19 lakh, 14 lakh, 54 lakh. Sales similarly, company is growing slowly. 15%, 11%, 13.5%, 40%. Because of lockdown, it's negative in March 2021. Operating margin 17%, 18%, 11%, 7%, 10%. Very fluctuation. Other income is very low. Interest nothing. One of the positive sign, company is totally debt free. Profit before tax is also growing. Net profit also 0.24, 24 lakhs. Now it is 87 lakhs. Now it's expecting 1 crore. Very good. Sales growth 5 year 4%. Sales growth compound is minus. Stock CAGR is 5 years of 13%. Return on equity 9%. Now one of the positive sign, company's equity capital is 3.3, and still 3.3 after 10 years. No liquidity, no dilution of the equity. Management is solid, never dilute their equity. Reserve is growing from 1.7 crore to now this is reserve is growing 9 crore. Wow. See what is the market cap of the company. Market cap 8 crore and reserve is 9 crore. What do you mean? It means that reserve is greater than their market cap. What a good sign. What a good sign. Borrowing is nothing. Asset is also growing every year. Okay. And you can see here other assets. Cash is 1.55. Trade receivables 3.7. Cash 1.5 crore. Very good. Cash is complementing good cash here as per their market cap. Debtor days in negative. Inventory days also not growing. Days sales is also flat. Cash conversion also negative. Working capital is also very negative side. Return on capital employed 10. Promoter holding, but promoter increasing their position. 29.26, 24, 9.5, 29.50. So hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of the stock. Always check video help before buying any stock.